Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through WhatsApp tips, tricks and hacks that you should try. So just launch WhatsApp. Now from here WhatsApp, if you just long press on your profile and if you just click the top right third icon, you can just lock the chat by clicking lock chat option, the second last option. Click on continue and give your phone password. Now if you drag from top, here you can see a lock chats option, just click on it. Now you need to just attach the fingerprint sensor or your face. Here you can see it is unlocked. Now you can just chat with the person that is locked to here. And if you want to unlock them, just long press on it and click the top right third icon. Here you can see unlock chats, just click on it and it will be unlocked. Now the second one is if you want to just lock your WhatsApp with two-step verification, you can do it. So for that, just go to settings and click on account. Here you can see two-step verification, click on it and click the bottom turn on. Just create a 6-digit pin and after the pin set, you can just add email or you can skip it. Now your two-step verification is done. Now whenever you want to log into your WhatsApp account, you need to just give the verification code. You can also add account from here. You can delete account. You can back up your WhatsApp data, so click on chats and the bottom here you can see chat backup, click on it. And if you want to just chat backup, you can just select the Google account from here and you can just backup from daily, weekly, monthly. You can also include videos or photos, and by just clicking backup you can backup it. So guys, that is the WhatsApp tips, tricks and hacks. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.